There's stuff in it, I can't get it out.
Are you serious?
I don't know what's going on, I can't get it in. Have you got anywhere to pack that? This is how not to add oil to your Harley Davidson. I'm this close to being a diva.
Really?
I'm this close to being a diva. Good morning, it is day 14? Day 14. What? I think it is day 14. Cat's in the toilet having a poo. We're travelling to Luxembourg, to the city. 2 hours to do. Today we are thinking about going 16 minutes in the other direction to go somewhere that has a thing called the Devil's Table, which is like a rock thing. I'm going to keep on checking my oil as we go. If it gets that bad, I may have to make a detour to Harley Davidson in Luxembourg, which could be about an hour and a half detour. But how important is oil in a motorcycle anyway? It can't be that important. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's actually clouds today. It's gonna be humid. Beard maintenance. Morning, Chewy.
Morning people.
How's it going?
Yeah, all good.
It's bloody humid, isn't it?
Yep. Last day though. Last day of the heat.
It's supposed to drop down to 22 tomorrow. Oh, I cannot wait. Sit down here in the grass, I think.
Yeah, because now that you've taken that will quite easily bend that way now.
So I thought I was scraping this bit of the floorboard. I've actually been scraping all that.
Now you've taken a good 5 mil off that.
Yeah!
What's it? That's supposed to be. Ruby.
Fucking lunatic.
Lunatic.
I may not ride fast, but I'll give it a good go. Cat's gonna go mad. I'm quite pleased I scraped my peg, so I didn't think I would with that bike. I'd be too scared. But apparently I'm double hard. Get to know. Have any of you guys scraped your pegs this holiday?
No.
No? No? Have you scraped your pegs?
I have 0 scrape on my pegs.
0 scrape. God, it looks like I'm the hardest. Right, let's go find where Cat is. She's supposed to bring all the other gear down. Show your bum bag? Morning, babe.
Sexy. This is how I twerk.
So we've noticed the floorboards we've been scraping.
Yeah.
Before, so do you want to come have a look at this?
Ow.
So you know we thought we were scraping this bit of the floorboard.
No, I don't know what that is, but it doesn't make
We've
sense.
actually been. That used to be straight. Shaved a bit off that.
He's been very brave. Like naughty.
Very brave. I'm risking my life.
Kat doesn't like it when we hit pegs down, but I always tell her as long as we don't go pegs down on her side, we're fine. We're fine.
I don't like it. It makes the bike unstable.
You think
and
I
have
do?
no control.
All I would say is that if you're feeling pegs down, I mean...
Well, he's not, he doesn't realise he's doing that.
Yeah, that's not pegs down, mate, that's frame down.
Yeah, that's frame down. I think maybe don't... Because on the gunner, sometimes if I felt the peg and it was a sweeping corner, I'd try and keep the peg down.
Yeah.
Try not to keep the frame down. Because I was doing the peg and you're doing the frame, so...
Why is he getting the frame down rather than the pegs?
He's going past
Well,
the design
because
lean
I mean,
angle for the corners.
it is a maximum lean angle for the bike because floorboard has some give because of, you know, your floorboard's going to hit first, and then that bit pushed up a little bit as
And
it's
then you
scraping the
just
road.
I'm fighting through.
And then
Rather than going, oh, maybe I shouldn't do that, you go, fuck it. Don't encourage him.
supposed to be colder today.
Nah.
Right, it's up there. Me and Nathan have already bottled it. Cat and Chewie are gonna go walk up it, but that's why I've got a drone.
I'd get my shorts out, I'd get my walking boots out, I just can't try.
I'm done with it, mate. So done with the heat.
Excuse the heavy breathing. And we're here. Oh shit. Don't tell Drew. It's pretty cool. Well, that wasn't that hard.
Quite enough.
Right, we are now going to go get some fuel and start heading to it's in Luxembourg, the castle, isn't it?
Yeah, where we're staying.
So heading to Luxembourg where we're staying, and there's a castle nearby. Bosh.
This is my job now. It really annoys me, to be quite honest. Washing off all the blood. Not blood, but guts. That's what I mean. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, squeaky clean.
Right, the bike's dropped quite a bit of oil, so we're going to look into getting Harley maybe. We're going to continue on the route towards Luxembourg, and then there should be a Harley towards that area, so we're going to get that way and then potentially detour to go get some oil. I'm hot, I'm uncomfortable, everyone keeps trying to help me, and I'm uncomfortable, I just want to get going. Okay, so Kat, God bless her, has managed to find a Harley Davidson, which is both like one of the biggest Harley Davidsons near us. She knows I get very frustrated, so what she's done is she's actually looked it up whilst on the back of the bike, and she's just told me over the comms. So it's about 30 miles away, and it looks like it's heading in the same direction as we're going. Cat Nav to the rescue again. Right, we're at Harley, let's see if they've got any oil. I'm Kat, you're a superstar.
Thanks, I know.
Right, we've got some oil. They threw me off because they asked if I needed mineral or synthetic. I had no idea, so I called Sean at Wars Harley, and he told me. And you know what's really awkward? I said, Sean, you're a superstar. He said, no worries. I said, thank you very much. And I think the phone cut out, so I'm gutted that he now thinks I'm an arsehole. But he's a star. Right, let's fill this up. Welcome to Judaism, where you learn all your mechanical tips here. This will now be where we realise it's the wrong oil and everything goes bang!
You haven't even noticed I cleaned your windscreen for you and your headlight.
Still need the old thing.
Do you want me to do that if you keep spinning it?
Don't look.
Let's just go straight.
How much are you
It's supposed to be
spinning?
between those two.
It's not coming out anymore. There's stuff in it, I can't get it out.
Are you serious?
I don't know what's going on, I can't get it in. Have you got anywhere to pack that? This is how not to add oil to your Harley Davidson. I thought you was. Right, let's check this again then.
Do you want me to do it?
No. It just doesn't come out very friendly. I'm telling you. Of course you can. When I can't do it, always get Kat to do it. Here we go. She's gonna mug me right off. Hmm?
What does that mean?
Oh, you probably need a spout. It's probably got a spout on it. I bet that spout pulls out. I bet you pulled it out. That would that would make it so much easier.
Do you know how I figured that out? By looking at the bottom.
Reading the instructions. This is coming out really nicely.
Yeah, it's just pouring out like it should.
I hate myself sometimes. I've made such a mess as well.
Yeah, like
such a mess. Have you seen this knife? Kat, do you want to show a knife?
Oh yeah, as soon as I come along, what do I discover? It's got a spout, mate.
It's so helpful. It's so handy, that. So yeah, subscribe to Judaism for loads more Harley tips and tricks. Did you know that the oil bottles have spouts? I bet you didn't know oil bottles have spouts in them.
People know how to read some instructions.
Shut up, Kat. Wonderful. Right, back on the road. Cheers, guys.
Yeah, you've got to clean it first. Look at the state of it.
It's too hot to clean. It'll burn off. Listen, guys. It's really important to play on hard mode sometimes because that's where the content is.
You create the hard mode.
You are the hard mode.
Well, I'm sweating. I'm this close to being a diva. I'm this close to being a diva. Thanks for stopping for the detour, guys.
Yeah, no worries.
Appreciate it.
That was all Kat.
Kat, thanks for finding the place, figuring out the oil thing had a cat. Thanks to Nathan say calling the dealer. Thanks to Sean at Wars Harley Davidson. See you soon for my service. Back on the road.
MVP?
Absolutely MVP.
We really need a proper patch for that.
Right, let's roll. I think we're in Luxembourg. All the number plates of the car say Deutschland. I thought we were in Luxembourg. We're 7 miles away. So we must be, right? Very quiet. Okay, now we're in Luxembourg. And we can see the castle and it's on another bloody hill. We're here.
No kettle though. What is it with these places and no fucking kettles? Sorry. Kettle.
Wonderful. Right, we're going to dump our stuff. I think we're going to the castle, pretty sharpish. Fucking hell, Nathan. I don't even fucking like castles.
Flying without authorization. Oh no.
Can't fly me drone. I don't even know what I'm in. Don't even like castles. So I've got to the top, the entrance of the castle, and I can't be bothered. I'm not going in there. They're all going in. I'm sitting out. It's so humid, and I cannot be bothered to go walking around all those stupid castles. So they've got in, I'm going to go outside and wait for this thunderstorm. Never likes castles, which is fine. But this doesn't even look like a cool castle. Here they come, an hour and a half later. Did you have a nice time? Was it good?
Yeah.
Sit down, my back's killing me.
I can't believe our picture didn't send.
We were perving on you.
We're perving on you.
Definitely saw you scratch your nuts.
Did I? Yeah.
Actually, I was going to text you that, and then you were going to look up, and I was going to get you again.
We had no signal.
I actually had a fantastic time. I'm ashamed. Right, let's go. The one time we get to a place early and it rains. It's bloody raining. Poor life. Right, that is pretty much it now for day 14. We're back at the hotel. Just dumped stuff off that they got from the castle place. I've put the drone back and we're going to go find somewhere to eat. But I'm not going to film anymore because it's chucking it down. We're going to try and eat at I think an Asian restaurant, and I think it's called Fuck You. So that'll be a laugh. Thanks for watching. Think about subscribing, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Don't forget to shave your balls on your face. Cheers, guys. Catch you later.